Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Craftmade ceiling fan. This is in the guest bedroom upstairs. There are 3 more of these in my house, so there are 4 total. I'm not sure what the model name of this fan is, so it'd be helpful if someone comments down below and tells me what it is. It's missing the canopy cover, and the canopy cover would hide those 2 screws, but it's not there. Blades are not reversible. It's same side on both sides. The side's just a little dusty. It's got a wood sideband, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this fan is going to be replaced because it's too modern for me. I don't like it. But yeah, I'll start the light. There's 2 light settings, but it doesn't make a difference. So that's light 1, and then, okay, if you go light 2, it's the exact same thing. Not sure if this is dimmable. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's dimmable. Didn't try out the dimming feature yet, so that's why I did not know. Okay, let's go to low. This fan, it has 3 speeds, reversible. This fan does not have a DC motor, just has a regular, I don't know, whatever Craftmade uses in these. So here's low. It's got a fast low. These give out a decent breeze, but it's just too modern for me. Go to medium now. It does rattle when it's on medium, like my Mink Air Dyno did at my old house. You might be able to hear it rattle sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, let's go to high. Here's something making noise in there. Kind of like a tapping noise. I don't know what that is. Turn the light back on. Okay, here's the light. Let's let this focus. Hold on. There we go. Dim it down, then it'll dim it back up. Alright, and then I just have it run on low speed all day, so I'll keep it on low. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.